Here's a peek at version 4 for the replacement Squawk Talk soundboard. Version 4 is functionally identical to version 3. No reason to upgrade to this at all. The changes are pretty simple. I removed some solder jumpers by the relays that weren't being used. Makes it a little bit easier to build. I also took the sound amplifier and have the option now to put them right on the board to reduce some costs. Though, like this version 4 board here, you can still use external amplifiers and have to use some of these up. And it'll also allow me to experiment later on with different amplifiers if I want to. Another change is I relabeled the jumpers. The sound banks now have a +1, +2, and a +4. So you can add the numbers together to find out which sound bank you're in, such as this is sound bank 1, because that's the only one that's pushed over. And the game title dip switches at the bottom, you also add those up, +1, +2, +4, and +8. Currently the only one that's on is +4, so it's the 4th game title, which in this case is 8-Ball Deluxe. And that's pretty much it. This is the new version 4 soundboard.